Application can be achieved for various installation temperatures by making specific adjustments outlined here. Pause the video or visit our website to learn more. Chilled weather installation, 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Use single-layer insulation with pre-applied vapor barrier. Joints at 3 and 9 o'clock, overlap barrier by 2 inches. Bond joint at 4 o'clock. Sealant and pipe protection as required by owner. Chilled conditions. Apply RG 2400 joint sealant to the entire pipe surface. Install insulation with a factory-applied vapor barrier, aligning the longitudinal seams at the 3 and 9 o'clock orientations. Apply RG 2400 joint sealant along the edges. Overlap the vapor barrier by 2 inches, with the bonded seam placed at the 4 o'clock position. Very cold, cryogenic conditions, 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Apply RG 2400 joint sealant to the entire pipe surface. Install the first layer of XPS insulation with seams located at the 12 and 6 o'clock positions, ensuring that edges are offset. Seal all exposed edges with RG 2400 joint sealant. Secure the first layer using filament tape. Apply the second layer of XPS insulation with seams at the 3 and 9 o'clock position. Seal all exposed edges with RG 2400 joint sealant. Secure the second layer using filament tape. Apply the Xeraperm vapor barrier membrane, overlapping seams by 2 inches. Install a metal jacket for mechanical protection. AlumaGuard recommended. Secure the metal jacket with metal banding. For single layer only, filament tape on inside or outside of vapor barrier and banding on metal jacket.